Hi everyone, my name is Wale Ajayi. I am the partner and head of trust for KPMG in Africa. Well, I've known dbrown Consulting for so many years. I know you're celebrating your 20th anniversary. I have known David Brown, the principal, before then. He worked with me for about 3 years before he started. So, but with respect to David Brown Consulting, I mean, it's not strange to me in terms of what David himself is doing. And now he started the business because I could see that, when I hired him, about 3 years just before I started dbrown Consulting. So with respect to dbrown Consulting, we've had some training programs conducted by them for us, especially in the area of Power BI. I remember in one aspect of my business where we do reward consulting. We wanted to improve the efficiency with which we deliver work to clients. Of course, we have people in KPMG that are very good and very experienced in Excel. And I said to myself, is there a way we can enhance our efficiency in delivering, the work we do for clients? And one of the areas that we had to look at was Power BI. And there was no hesitation on my part to call David Brown to conduct a Power BI training, program for us. And over the years, we've done training programs with dbrown Consulting on Power BI. We've done training on how for us to be able to transform or interpret our data. I think for me, if there is any firm out there that is comparable, I don't think there is none anyway. I think dbrown Consulting has already created, a reputation for itself when it comes to data transformation. So I would recommend dbrown Consulting for anyone that wants to know how to leverage the data and turn it into value. I think one of the things I would say about dbrown Consulting is the way they partner with their clients in terms of co-creating the solutions that the client need. And I like the fact that they're dependable. I'm a consultant, and one thing that puts me off when it comes to working with other consultants is that they respect my time. I think when it comes to dbrown Consulting, they're very reliable, they're very dependable. They know what needs to be done when it needs to be done, and for that I must salute them. I think the other thing is the analytical mind they bring to projects. It's not just about telling clients what to do, but helping them to understand why they must do what they're doing. And along the journey, they've been very supportive. Of course, as a consultant to one another, we do make a lot of demands on dbrown Consulting. And I can't remember a time when we've been failed or where we've experienced any barrier, receiving support from dbrown Consulting. So I think by and large, they've been quite supportive. They've been dedicated. They've been reliable. So I commend dbrown, to any firm that wants to, teach their staff on how to use Power BI or anything that has to do with data. It's amazing that I remember the first day when dbrown Consulting started somewhere in the estate, right? And I was there from day one, and I can't believe that it's already 20 years now. I think first and foremost, let me say congratulations and happy 20th anniversary. What I would say is that this is just the beginning, right? The next chapter is going to be more colorful. I know with dbrown, it's not just about competing, but it's about defining the landscape. And so what I expect to see is that when it comes to the transformation of data, that dbrown will be at the forefront in helping companies to leverage and explore the data they have at their disposal. So congratulations, and I wish you all the best. And like I said, the next chapter is going to be more glorious and more colorful. Happy anniversary.